All right, what's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something I should have did a long time ago, and we're going to build a fire pit. Yes, real fire pit. You need to go blow your nose. We're going to build a fire pit, so I'm going to put it right here. This is where my other lawnmower is sitting for a long time. Need to get that thing back up and running, or swap that motor out. And I had these not center blocks, but these 1x1 slab, concrete, whatever, just sitting here, nothing to do with them for years. And they even traveled halfway across the country with me from North Carolina. So I'm going to take these, right, put them here. Got to go get some more products. This is where we're going to map it out at. This is where it's going to be. So let's get started. And here we go. I made use of the blocks that I had around here. So just a little home.
Whoa, sparks!
It's a little home fire.
Wait, why does sparks turn into these little cold things?
All right. Yep. So comment, like, and subscribe. I had to do something with these slabs. Figure why not.